And then, I think this artwork possesses simplicity, elegance and versatility. Why simplicity? You know, where we use yung white and silver color harmony lang. And then the elegance, as you can see, napaka-simple and minimal lang yung design. And the versatility subject is whether it's a modern or contemporary houses, just like Amaya, pwedeng-pwede siya. It's not an eyesore, katulad ng nakikita natin upcycle materials na parang pag nilagay mo sa isang thematic na bahay, like Amaya, which is modern contemporary, magiging eyesore siya. But this, mag-blend lang siya sa design, and then elegant pa rin siya tignan.
Super nice. Can it also be hanging?
It can also be a hanging lamp, right? I mean, like a light fixture. What did you use to connect everything?
Start from the bottom. It's a tie rim, recycled tie rim. Then we connect it. Actually, it's a recycled big umbrella, the Micromatic one. So, sira siyang Micromatic umbrella. And then yung mga pinanggapit doon, parts din ng umbrella. And then the screen, the wires, bilog noon. And then yung pag-cut is so hard. Parang we spent almost 12 hours on cutting 250 various sizes of
What did you use about?
Cutter and scissors. Yeah.
If you would retail this, how much would you sell?
It can be 5,000 more or less 5,000 pesos. Actually, yung nagastos namin wala pa siyang 1,500. Since almost 100% talaga siya recycled.
Kasi
Nice.
namin green kung
Would you have thought about making it other colors also?
Sure. Actually, we provide visions for changing the colors. May butas siya. So, sorry for the not so finished touch. Pero pwede siyang dukutin.
Parang palitan ng mobilya.
Pero when it is mass-produced, it's under improvement pa rin. Para mas maganda pa rin siya.
Ano naman niya kung ganyan?
Colors, yeah. Pwede.